总指挥部第2次会议研究决定，天宫2号空间实验室将于9月15日晚。
Lab will be launched tomorrow night in September the 15th. And now we have the spokesperson, Ms. Wu Ping, from the China Manned Space Program Office to brief you on the situation and answer your questions. My name is Wang Hongyan from the Space Program Office. Now let's give the floor to Ms. Wu Ping. Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends from media, good afternoon. With the commission of the program office, I will be in charge of introducing to you the mission for the Tiangong-2 Space Lab. And the time is set to launch the Space Lab at 22:04 on September the 15th. And this afternoon, the Tiangong 2 FT2 carrier rocket is already injecting its propellant. Launching Tiangong-2 aims at receiving the visit for Shenzhou 11 manned spaceship, realize midterm space day, test technology to ensure long-term life-sustaining system on the space lab, receiving the visit for Tiangong 1 cargo spaceship, testing the refueling for propellant technology, and carry out medicine, space science experiment, and space application technologies, and in-orbit maintenance, and some other space station technologies. Tiangong-2 is the first space lab in China. It has 2 capsules, one for experiment and one for resources. Its full length is 10.4 meters and diameters with 3.35 meters, with a width of 18.4 meters, and it weighs 8.6 tons. And the lifespan is designed for 2 years. So in order to satisfy the need for propellant refueling, we have a lot of adjustment to the propelling system. And in order to satisfy midterm space day need, we also have done a lot of rejuvenating, and we have the capability to sustain the 30 days of life for 2 astronauts, and has 14 applications, including the atomic clock and weightless cardiovascular research. And it also has in-orbit maintenance facilities, and will carry out a lot of space experiments. According to our plan, after the space lab is launched, it will change orbit into the operational orbit of around 380 kilometers. And the Shenzhou 11 manned spaceship will be launched by later October, and Tiangong-2 will enter a docking orbit of around 393 kilometers and waiting for the docking. And right now, the astronaut space application system, the rocket system, and launching pad system are all in place and ready for the launch. The launching of Tiangong-2 is a key stage for the full completion for the launching of our space lab, and also it's a solid foundation for the building of China's space stations in the future, and is highly significant. These are the brief instructions of this mission, and now I'm willing to take your questions. Thank you, Ms. Wu Ping. And now the floor is open to questions.
好，就是第2排这位，请给话筒。
谢谢主持人，我是中央电视台
Thank you, I'm with
央视网和
CCTV,
央视新闻科普
its
装置
affiliate
记者。
website.
我想请问主持人，我想请问
My
先发言
question
人
goes
女士哈。
to Ms.
天宫
Wu
2号呢
Ping.
是被称为我们国家
The
的第一个真正意义上
Tiangong-2
的
is
太空
the
实验室，
first
这也让
space
我们
lab
对这次的
in
任务
China,
期待。
which makes
请
us
请您介
expect
绍
a lot
天宫
from
2
this
号空间
mission.
实验室
So
将
can you
开展哪
introduce
些
to us
应用
what
的项
kind
目？
of